Hi everybody, it's Peter Zellum's Griniflix Adventure 8 and an impromptu video today. It's to do with my GoPro 9. What I've noticed is sometimes when I'm recording and press record, within the first 30 seconds there is sometimes some popping and crackling sounds in the video. Normally I have to edit it out, it's a real pain in the neck. So I decided to go on the internet to find out what's going on. And apparently this has been an issue for years, regardless of software update. Something to do with the GoPro, whether it's warm or not. It seems to be in those first few startups. So that's take 10. So far my results have been exactly the same for the first 5 takes and this next 5 takes, with the over an hour in between takes, and the same situation occurred in both cases. It was that first video from cold start, in the first 30 seconds, somewhere between the 10 to 20 second mark or thereabouts, where that popping and crackling occurs. So I'm guessing at this stage it's all to do with something internally for it to get up to operating temperature. Has anyone else experienced this? Has anyone else done this science experiment? Has GoPro done this? I welcome comments. Please do comment in the video below, so we can at least get a history of other people's experience, and if there is a fix to this, is there something going on? I will repeat this experiment maybe a couple more times. If I get any inconsistent results, I will update this video, but if there's nothing more to this video other than what I've just done, then this is the conclusion. It's to do with a warm-up phase within GoPro that's causing this popping and crackling. What's the fix? Please comment. Thanks for watching. If it's the first time to my video, if it's first time to my channel, do subscribe, press notifications, etc. If this has helped in any other way, please give it a thumbs up. But more importantly, comment. I need to know, I think that everybody wants to know what's happening with this popping and crackling on the GoPro 9. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.